Welcome to another informative session where we delve into the world of 3D printing. Today, we're going on a journey to discover the top 5 beginner 3D printers. These machines are not only affordable but also making them perfect for novices. They can turn a complex process into something simple and enjoyable, helping you to learn faster and with less frustration. Before we dive into the countdown of the top 5 beginner 3D printers, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the product links in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Starting the countdown at number 5, we have the Anicubic M5C. This 3D printer makes a strong impression with its ease of assembly. Even if you're new to this world, putting it together is a breeze. But it's not just about easy setup. The Anicubic M5C is also known for its user-friendly interface. Navigating through its features is as simple as pie, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Equally important is the affordability of this model. It doesn't break the bank, but still offers a robust build quality that's designed to last. And if you ever run into any issues, you can count on the reliable customer support Anicubic is known for. They're always ready to help you out and ensure you get the most out of your 3D printing experience. Anicubic M5C is indeed a great entry-level option for those stepping into the world of 3D printing. Moving forward at number 4, we find the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. This printer packs a punch, offering a large print volume which is a boon for those expansive projects. What's more, the assembly process is an absolute breeze, making it a perfect choice for beginners stepping into the world of 3D printing. But don't let its ease of assembly fool you. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is capable of producing high-quality prints that can rival those of more expensive models. Its versatility is another one of its strong suits. This printer is compatible with various filament types, allowing you to explore different materials and textures in your 3D printing journey. Whether you're printing simple household items or intricate art pieces, this printer won't let you down. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is certainly a remarkable piece of kit for beginners. Now, climbing up to number 3, we have the Soal SV06. This 3D printer is a standout, not just for its impressive features, but also for its user-friendly design. One of its most notable features is the dual extrusion system. This means you can print with 2 different materials or colors at the same time, opening up a world of possibilities for your creations. The Soal SV06 doesn't compromise on precision either. Its high precision and stability ensure that each print is as perfect as the last, a crucial factor when you're just starting out in 3D printing. But let's not forget about its ease of use. The interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it a breeze to navigate through the printing process. And if you ever encounter any hiccups, Soal provides excellent after-sales service, ensuring that you'll never be left in a bind. To sum it all up, the Soal SV06 is definitely a solid choice for those starting their 3D printing journey. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the Anicubic Cobra 2 Neo. This remarkable 3D printer prides itself on its quiet operation, a feature that allows you to work or rest in peace while your creation comes to life. With its high precision, it delivers stunningly accurate prints every time. But it's not just about precision. The Cobra 2 Neo also boasts a fast printing speed, ensuring your projects are completed in a timely manner. For those who are new to the world of 3D printing, you'll be pleased to learn that this printer is easy to assemble and comes with a user-friendly interface, making the entire printing process a breeze. The Anicubic Cobra 2 Neo is a fantastic choice for beginners, offering both quality and value. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1, we have the official Creality Ender 3D printer. This compact titan is a revolution in the 3D printing market. Despite its size, it churns out high-quality prints that are bound to amaze. But the official Creality Ender 3D printer doesn't stop at printing. It enables it to carve, engrave, and even weld. It's like having your personal mini-factory. What's more, its process is simple and straightforward, making it ideal for those who are just venturing into 3D printing. And the icing on the cake? It's outstandingly affordable. The official Creality Ender 3D printer is the perfect option for beginners, delivering convenience, superior quality, and value all within a single package. And there you have it, the top 5 beginner 3D printers. From the reliable Anicubic M5C to the innovative Bamboo Lab A1 Mini Combo, we've explored a range of printers designed to make your entry into the world of 3D printing as smooth as possible. Each model has its unique strengths, ensuring there's a perfect match for every aspiring 3D artist. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with these printers. Thank you for joining us in this informative session. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, happy printing.